Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, and in today's video, I am going to be showing you my Amazon favorites and home decor haul. So you guys know I recently sold all of my Rae done, so I wanted to take that money and buy something that I really wanted and could use and really need for my home. So one of the things I found was this awesome rug. I found this on Amazon and it's a perfect color, black, white, and silver. It is a 9 by 12 and I paid $300 for it shipped, which I do not think is bad at all. It's a very high quality rug. It is 9 by 12, perfect for my space. Absolutely love it. And in case you're interested, I will leave links for everything I'm showing you today down in the description box below. Now, I also wanted to update my salt and pepper holders in the kitchen. I wanted a more modern aesthetic. So I found these on Amazon and they were $10.99, guys. $10.99. I got the little marble tray and I set that on it and it looks absolutely perfect. Another thing that we recently updated in our kitchen was our sink faucet. I wanted something that was modern and industrial, something that really fit the aesthetic that I was going for, and I found this one on Amazon and you were not going to believe the price. You find these at Lowe's and Home Depot for around $200. I got this one on Amazon for $50. Next up is the milk frother. I absolutely wanted to have one of these for my coffee bar. Picked this up from Amazon. So I also will be updating my front porch for spring and summer, and I wanted to give it a fresh pop. So I found this doormat from Amazon. I liked it. It was very simple. It's black. It has welcome in white, which, you know, it's perfect for me. I ordered this runner type doormat to go underneath it. It's more of a cream color than white. I thought it was going to be bright white. I picked it up from Amazon. I guess it doesn't look too bad, but I really want a bright white, so this might be going back, but maybe it doesn't really matter since it'll be going outside. I don't know, I'm not too sure, but I picked this up. I love the smaller black one. Not too sure on the larger one. We shall see. But that is one of the other things that I picked up from Amazon. One of my Amazon favorites that I am loving at the moment. I wanted to bring some pops of spring and summer into my bedroom. So I have been looking at different shades of green and I have settled on sage green. I absolutely love it. It's a muted green, perfect for my home and my bedroom. I found these pillowcases on Amazon. I thought they were perfect. I absolutely love them. They will be the perfect addition to bring a little spring into my bedroom. Next up are these really nice, I guess you could call them dessert plate or a snack plate. I found these at Hobby Lobby from their spring shop. They were on sale at 40% off. I thought they would be perfect if you wanted to have breakfast in bed. You just put them on a little tray and they would fit perfectly. Next up, you guys know I love changing the color of my furniture. I like doing that with chair covers. And so I wanted to change up the look of my dining room chairs. I found these chair covers from IKEA. They look a little cream color on camera, but they're supposed to be bright white. At least I hope that they are bright white. You will be seeing these featured in an upcoming video. So if you are new here and you have not yet subscribed, I would appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family.
I am going to be doing some updates to my dining room table, and I think these chair covers will make the perfect addition and will make that table pop. So I hope you guys have enjoyed my small and simple Amazon favorites and home decor haul. As I said before, I will leave links for everything down below in case you are interested. You can go check them out and purchase those same items for your own home. Oh, one more thing. Last but not least, I also picked up these canisters from Zara Home. I saw these on Julie Simply Love. I absolutely love them, so of course I had to go pick them up. I am going to be using these on my coffee bar, and I am going to put my coffee pods into them. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next one.